going to see the life cycle of a customer. For me, this slide is very, very important. This slide helps us to understand, or this slide helps us to connect dots and draw a larger picture, right? So what is this slide? For us to understand the life cycle of a customer, right? First, we need to understand this word prospect. Who is a prospective customer? How do you define a prospective customer? Maybe before I ask you to define a prospective customer, who is a customer?
Someone who's willing to pay for the product.
Someone who is willing to pay for the product. Okay.
Someone who is willing to pay for the product plus getting the service for that product.
Okay. Right. So for somebody to get qualified as a customer, do you think making a payment is a mandatory requirement?
Yes.
Okay, that is from Harsha, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Harsha, do you have a bicycle at home?
Yes, I do.
You have one? Have
Yes,
you paid
yes.
road tax when you buy your bicycle? No. We pay road tax only when we buy a two-wheeler bike or a car. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. And I am basically from Chennai. So in Chennai, I see people going for a bicycle ride in the ECR road or OMR road, which is a general place where people, and there are toll plazas, and bicycle riders don't pay toll fee. Am I right?
Correct, sir.
And one day when the ECR road was blocked for some reason, all these bicycle riders were very upset and they were making a protest. Actually, there was a protest, full-fledged protest, when people stopped them from making use of that road. Okay. So now my question is, are you making use of that road? The answer is yes. Have you paid for it? Technically, the answer is no. But when you make use of a product or a service, even paid or not paid, forget it. When you make use of a product or a service, you get qualified as a consumer, right? You make use of the product or a service. You are consuming that product or a service. Am I right?